you made? Wow! Know that you will start with the dot and ends with the dot. You can start here, baby. You start with the vertical line. Remember, I have here the video for you like that. Keep doing it. Wait, then I'll have there. Very good. Some more. It's alright. Come on, some more. Now let's proceed to the horizontal. Paper should stay like that. Come on. It's alright. Go on.
But I have to see.
Oops, you have eraser. That one. Just erase there. Alright. Okay. Do it again. There you are. Moving on. It's alright. Go on. I know. No. No, come on. Two left for your horizontal. Oh, sorry, it's okay. Just make one. Sorry, I missed the dot. Come on. No, you shouldn't follow that. It looks like a slate. Let's move on to that slant or... What is that? Let me see. It's a slash. Come on, let's do the slash, baby. There. Oops. You always have to start from the top. Good. That's perfect. Go on. No, you finish this. You finish this first. Go on. There. That's perfect. More. No, it's okay. It's okay. Continue doing. Good. Moving on. That's so loud. I'm recording you, baby. Very good. Moving on. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Continue. Or missing the dot. It's okay. It's alright. Just make it slash. Go on. Stop. Next. Next. The dot is missing, but it's alright. Go on. No, the dot should be here now. Over here. There. Okay. Maybe. Now let's do the other slant. No, not there. Slant or backslash. From dot to dot.
Dot to dot.
Go.
Dot to dot.
Perfect. It's alright. It's alright. It's not you made. Come on.
Until dot. Until dot.
Oh, do your best to match. That doesn't look like a slash me or backslash me. Please do it again. Dot to dot. This is the dot. There it is. Oh, come on. There. That's alright. Come on. Alright. Now let's go to the challenging part. That's what I told you a while ago. Baby, you start in here. You do a curve or a half circle and meet the other dot. Wow. Do some more. Oops, you haven't done that. That's enough. Oops. You start with this dot and there you are. No sides. There. Perfect. So you can do the curve. Oops. You're not there yet. Here, you have to finish the first curve. Nope. There. Yeah. More. 3 more left. Oops. You always start from the top. Perfect. Do some more again. So proud of little one. There you are. Whoa. Good. Now let's do the other side. Now you have to start from that dot and then go over there. Make a curve. A half circle. Wow. Go on. Go on. Up, stop first. Very good. More. Yeah. Whoa. Wow. It's alright. It's alright. As long as you made one.
Something golden fresh morning. This the way we brush our teeth. We brush our teeth. We brush our teeth. This the way we brush our teeth. What? Set that to the lady and then slap.
Go on, triangle. There's one there.
No flat.
Follow that. No, that's perfect. That's perfect. Understand. Down. That one. Yes. Yeah, no, you can do it. That's nice. Beautiful enough. It's beautiful enough. We follow that. Oh, you have to follow that. Just make slant there. There it is. Keep doing it. Good.
Shade. 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 That one. That one. That one. And then like.
Okay, next. That's good. That's good.
Like that.
Okay, next. Really loud. Come on, baby.
Yeah,
Make it straight. Do your best to make it straight. No, it's okay. Oh, there it is. It's okay. Just go on. Another straight. There. That's okay. Now. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yes. See, I knew it. I knew you could make it. Come on. Go on. Go on. There. See, you did it. You did it.
Like that slant. Then this one.
That's not slant. Yeah, that one is, but this one is not. Okay, then for that one.
This one.
Yeah. You're making a curve now. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, next. There. Okay. Now do your best to follow the heart. Whatever shape you can make. Mhm.
Dot.
Mhm.
And then circle form.
Mhm.
Dot.
Mhm.
Just kidding. I like that one.
Right angle. I know that. Try heart. Just like M. M.
Then
Ay, no.
square.
I said heart.
Square.
You should be calling heart now. Oh, you're making your own dots. What about heart? What about heart?
It's not good. I don't know that one. Rectangle, I know that. Rectangle only.
Let's do it. Help me.
No,
How about this?
square only.
Yeah, remember. How about we try this? This is the center, and then you connect here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and then here. You try. I think it's gonna be hard. That one. Yeah, then down. There. I can understand the form heart. Connect. Wave there. I'll wave curve there. There. Down. Oh, it's not hard. I didn't follow. Show us the board. It's a finished product, and I erased my model square. No heart.